The history of the British royal family is a long and fascinating one, stretching back over 1,000 years. From the Anglo-Saxon kingdoms to the present day, the monarchy has played a central role in shaping the nation's identity, politics, and culture. This response will delve into the stories of several famous British royal figures, exploring their lives, reigns, and lasting legacies. The early monarchs and the Norman conquest. Before the Norman conquest of 1066, England was ruled by a series of Anglo-Saxon kings. One of the most famous of these was Alfred the Great (849–899), who defended his kingdom of Wessex against the Vikings and laid the foundations for a unified English state. He was known for his military prowess, his promotion of literacy and education, and his legal reforms. The year 1066 marked a turning point in English history with the invasion of William, Duke of Normandy. William the Conqueror c. 1028–1087 defeated the Anglo-Saxon king Harold Godwinson at the Battle of Hastings and established Norman rule over England. This event brought significant changes to English society, including the introduction of feudalism and a new aristocracy. William's reign was characterized by his efforts to consolidate his power, including the Domesday Book, a comprehensive survey of England's land and resources. The Plantagenets and the medieval era. The Plantagenet dynasty ruled England from 1154 to 1485. This period saw significant events such as the signing of Magna Carta in 1215 during the reign of King John, 1166–1216, which established limits on royal power and guaranteed certain rights to the nobility. Other notable Plantagenet monarchs include Edward I (1239–1307), known as Longshanks for his height, who conquered Wales and attempted to subdue Scotland, and Henry Pancham (1886–1422), the warrior king who famously defeated the French at the Battle of Agincourt in 1415. The Tudors and the English Reformation. The Tudor dynasty (1485–1613) is one of the most famous in English history. Henry VIII (1491–1847) is perhaps the most well-known Tudor monarch, primarily for his 6 wives and his role in the English Reformation. When the Pope refused to annul his marriage to Catherine of Aragon, Henry broke with the Roman Catholic Church and established the Church of England with himself as its head. This act had profound and lasting consequences for English religion and society. Henry's reign also saw the dissolution of the monasteries and the strengthening of royal power. Henry VIII was succeeded by his son, Edward VI (837–813), who was a staunch Protestant. After Edward's short reign, his half-sister Mary I (816–818), a devout Catholic, took the throne and attempted to restore Catholicism to England, earning her the nickname Bloody Mary for her persecution of Protestants. Following Mary's death, her half-sister Elizabeth I (833–863)